Our entry number 5, rather, Team Black. Timer starts now.
From barangay to global leaders, how does Sangguniang Kabataan shape future leaders? In a world where the leaders are being scrutinized, in a world where the leaders are the one who is the problem, who we think is the problem. But let me ask you this, are the leaders really the problem? Or the leaders are stuck between a system designed them to be the problem? So welcome to my presentation. My problem is all about from barangay to global leaders. How the Sangguniang Kabataan to create more leaders. So I propose the problem and the solution and the content of this is to conduct more seminars, so on, so forth, the basic, the standard of the iceberg. But if we delve deep down within the iceberg, we could notice a systematic problem designed us to be the problem as the leaders. So as the young people here in Tagum City and as Secretary of Barangay Design Village, I've witnessed the problem firsthand. I've witnessed the lack of youth participation, how we could create the young people to become more great leaders in the years to come. So the content of this speech is to encourage you guys to create a systematic change because it lies within a systematic problem. It can't be solved by creating a seminar. It can't be solved by creating this and creating that. So how should we solve it? In SK Design Village, we are conducting BYLC every year, or Barangay Youth Leadership Camp every year. The goal of that advocacy is to create more leaders, not just in the Philippines, but to be more proactive and to be more globally competitive in the nation as well. So I encourage you guys, as SK leaders or LYDC leaders in Tagum City, to be more active, to create solutions to systematic problems. By creating those framework, we could address not just the layer of the iceberg, but deep down of the iceberg, the method of those icebergs. So to end this speech, I'm calling the awareness of everyone, not just as a appointed, not just as a young people, but as a leader. Because leadership comes from within. Dili mabayaran ang leadership. And to encourage you guys, the future leaders of this generation, how the Sangguniang have built leaders for globally competitive market is to make a change. The change is within you. The change is within us. And it must start from us. This is an awareness to everyone that in all aspects that will come, we should make the change. Thank you so much and have a good day.